Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the tarball with exercises for Cosmos, and this is part of a HPC course for Python. And to do so, I'm just going to walk through this procedure. A tarball is just a bunch of files compressed together, and we're going to download it and so on. So we go through the procedure, and step one is if there is a project folder, navigate to your project folder. So we are using Cosmos here of Lunark. They do not have project folders, so we can do nothing. And if we take a look at the answer, well, you could go to your home folder, cd tilde. Let's do that just to make sure I'm on Cosmos here. If I do cd squiggle, I'll be in exactly the same folder, because this is my home folder called /home/Richel for me. So I'm already there. I don't need to create a folder for myself. I am in my personal home folder. There's nothing shared here. I can skip this step. And also, if I don't need to create a personal folder because my home folder is personal, well, I don't need to go inside that. Get the tarball. All right, so copy paste this, Control T, do Control Shift V, and here now we have downloaded tarball on our computer. Now we need to uncompress the thing. Let's do that here. There. And now it is extracted. This is what it looks like. And let's say you want to go in some kind of folder. You do cd and then exercises and then R or MATLAB or whatever. This seems to be the wrong file, so let's do it again. There, this seems to be of another course. Let's do it again. wget. There. Now we have it clean. Now we have actually the tarball at the right spot. Now we're gonna unzip it. Now it looks like this. And we see that there are some folders called examples, and there are some folders called, well, there's always a folder called exercises. Let's go into that one. The second folder is always examples. And here we can go into one of the clusters. Let's go to UpMax, for example. And then here we see the exercise files. So we see that Lunark is not there yet, but you do cd Lunark or whatever to get in ours. So with that, I'm going to conclude this video in how to use the tarball with exercises for Cosmos, and I wish you a very good day. Bye!